Hello everyone, it's Matt here with Awesome Stuff Reviews. This is going to be my first review. I'm a little sick, so my voice is different today. But we're going to start off with a review on the Apple wired Numeric keyboard. So here's the box. It comes in. Very simple. In the box, some compartments, and you get the Apple keyboard manual, and you get limited warranty information. And I don't have it in the box right now because I have it out. So it also comes with a USB extender, which is nice. Unfortunately, it has a little groove in it, the one on the keyboard. It's a little groove in the top. And this has a little bump in it, so that you can't connect with anything else, but I don't mind because I need the extension. So here's the keyboard itself. Very nice keyboard. It's got nice keys. It's really nice. It's made out of aluminum. Solid aluminum there. And then on the bottom, it's plastic. And it has some feet. And you got your two USB hubs, one on each side. Nice keyboard overall. I really like it. I use it every day. Definitely my favorite keyboard I've ever had. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my first video, and I will see you next time. Bye.